Number 1. No phone before bed. You don't have a sleep problem. You have a stimulation addiction. Every night you flood your brain with blue light, notifications, and endless scrolling, then expect it to just shut down on command. That's not how control works. 1 hour before sleep, no phone, no cheap dopamine. Let your mind slow down naturally. This is where most men fail. They say they want discipline, but they can't even put their phone down for 60 minutes. This one habit alone separates a distracted mind from a focused one. Number 2, move your body after dinner. You don't need a gym session. You need movement. A simple 20-minute walk after dinner can reset your entire system. Your body was not built to sit all day and then expect deep sleep at night. Movement clears mental noise, improves digestion, and signals your body to relax. If your mind feels heavy at night, it's because your body never released that built-up energy. Fix the body and the mind follows. Number 3, read 10 pages of a real book. Most men end their day consuming garbage. Short videos, meaningless content, zero depth. Then they wonder why their thinking stays shallow. Read 10 pages of a real book every night, something that challenges you, something that forces you to think. 10 pages feels small, but it compounds fast. Over a year, that's over 30 books. While everyone else is entertained, you are evolving. This is how you build a sharp, disciplined mind. Number 4, journal 3 questions. Before you sleep, sit down and face your day. What worked today? What didn't work? What will you do differently tomorrow? That's it. 5 minutes of brutal honesty. Most men stay stuck because they never reflect. They repeat the same mistakes and call it bad luck. Journaling forces awareness, and awareness is where control begins. If you don't track your life, you drift through it. Number 5, prepare tomorrow tonight. Lay out your clothes, set your priorities, decide your top tasks, remove every small decision that could slow you down in the morning. Because the truth is simple. You don't win the morning when you wake up. You win it before you sleep. Decision fatigue destroys most men before the day even starts. Eliminate it at night and your mornings become automatic. Successful men don't have different days. They have different nights. Do all 5 tonight, no excuses. Comment day 1 when you complete it. And remember, strong men don't hope for better mornings. They build them in the dark. That's all I had to say in this video. I'm out.